The CIA aerospace company showing up at my office literally unannounced, showed me their credentials and said, "We need your help looking at patients, harm done to them." I was like, well, what kind of harm? And then they laid out the data, x-rays of internal scarring.
These people who reported abductions?
No. These are intelligence agents, diplomatic corps, military personnel. Small subset of them said that they'd been in proximity to things that you would call a UFO. I thought it was a joke at the beginning, especially when they mentioned the UFO stuff. It turned out that these were actually the first of the Havana syndrome patients. And it turned out that it's probably a kind of microwave technology being used by some of our adversaries.
Let me get this straight. You had someone from the CIA show up to your office, and he had a list of people who had medical problems. Were a consequence of people coming into contact with technology that is mysterious about it?
It was basically, it's an energy weapon, just a microwave weapon. Just imagine you could focus the beam of your microwave in a very narrow path towards a person's head. You'll bake the brain cells in their head. Nothing magical about it. We have them. Everybody knows that these things exist.